Do you want a complete, done for you business in a box? If so, stay with me because I have something that I think is going to change a lot of lives. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of Dropshiply 2.0. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the Man in the Hat. That's because I wear fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead. I mean, my jokes, they're stale. I get it. You know, they're dad jokes, and not even dad jokes. I mean, dad jokes are better than my jokes. At least dads try to vary their repertoire sometimes. I just say the same things over and over again. But I like them anyway, so there you go. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, I review two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why is there such a thing you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. To make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, seriously, Bart. Seriously. You know, you're the one who started all this. You have all your buddies now who keep getting in on the act, but he's the one who started it. He drives me crazy. For over a year, he was getting on the act. And then a whole bunch of other people started showing up, yakety about crap. Nobody wants the crap. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work, if I like a product, I will give a tip, match the product great. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. And I see Liz, she is a sweetheart. She says the same thing all the time, but I love her. Can't get angry at her. Anyway, seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when we chat in the videos. Let's go ahead and check this out right now. Because we're looking right now at the sales page for Dropshiply. Now, before you start saying anything, before I start seeing comments from people saying, Eric, oh, drop shipping, that's so last year, it doesn't work, this, that, whatever it is. I get it. I know that there's a lot of bad products in the drop shipping industry. I know there's a lot of very expensive products in the drop shipping industry. And let me tell you something, this one definitely is not expensive, definitely is not a bad product. And it actually works and it's all done for you. So I'm explaining to you why that is, but before I do want to tell you about my custom bonus. I do have the best custom bonus that you're going to see anywhere. So first of all, I spoke with my buddy, Gary. He's one of the people involved in Dropshiply, and I convinced him. You see, most people are allowed to only have 2 of these. I convinced him to let me have all 3 of these to give to you. So you're going to get Motvio, which is a lightning fast video hosting system. It usually costs $67. You're going to get for free. You're going to get Music Man, which is software to create your own custom-made music, and you're going to get Video Funnel, which is a video marketing tool that allows you to create video funnels, basically interactive videos. Okay, that's a $67 tool as well. You're going to get all 3 of those. Plus, beyond that, I'm giving you for myself one of my best-selling products, an upgrade actually to one of my best-selling products. Basically, what I'm going to give you is my collection of video clips as well as my instructions on how to use them. Plus, I'm going to give you a set of audio content, and I'm going to give you my video course on how to make a killer video sales letter, because that's really important if you want to do well in drop shipping, or really in any kind of thing when you're trying to sell online. You need to make good videos that are going to get people excited. So that's why I'm so excited they have all 3 of these, because they basically have all the stuff that you need in order to be able to build this thing up really, really fast. It's going to be all done for you with all 3 things right there waiting for you, easily ready to use. Okay, so, and by the way, Music Man, Video Funnel, and Motvio are going to be given to you directly by Gary. He's told me that they will be available in your members area only if you buy from me. Other people will not have them. So if there's an issue, just let me know, and I will make sure to speak to Gary and tell him, hey, you promised my guys these. I want to make sure that they're there for you. Okay, so I do want to show you the members area real quick, so you can see what it looks like. So this is the members area, and you can see it's a complete package, and this is the 2.0 version. So it's really done in a way that's going to make sure that you have everything you need. The first thing I wanted to look at, of course, was the tutorials over here. It's going to tell you everything you need to know in order to get started with how to use this thing. Now, what this does basically, it arranges for you to have everything at your fingertips. So you can see here, you can choose where to get your products from. You can choose which marketplaces to connect to. So for example, I believe it does eBay, it does here AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, eBay. Okay, all these things you can have completely for free without having to pay anything extra. And of course, it will also allow you to actually go ahead and set up the products completely for free. You can check them out here. You can see all the products that are available. And basically well, I don't have any products listed here right now because I just started looking at it. But basically, you'll be able to pick out products and add them in. Okay, you're going to click here, add new, and just add in new products. You're going to be able to pick them out based on stuff. Now, there are a couple of things here that you might want to spend money on specifically. The thing that I particularly liked here, let me show you. For $1, that the product import service, which I think is great, because basically what they're going to do is they're going to take the guesswork out of figuring out which products are going to sell well, and you basically can import the products that they recommend. So basically, the idea is that basically all you're going to do is pay $1 for this, and they're going to go ahead and import all the products for you. They're going to sell the best, so that you can start making back your money right away. Now, I do want to tell you about the pricing, by the way. So the price right now, as I'm recording this video, is $47.23, but there is a coupon code DROP10 off to make it $37.23. You can get the personal version for $32.95. I don't recommend that. For a few dollars more, you can see that there's a lot more features available with the commercial version as opposed to the personal version. So for $5 more, because you have the $10 off coupon, I would recommend getting the commercial version. Just use the $10 coupon to make it $37. And again, you're going to get all of these bonuses included completely for free when you pick it up exclusively from me. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, okay, you rock. I love this thing. This is a quality product that's going to get you started really fast. And it can be a side business. It doesn't even have to be your main business. It could be something that you set it up and start making money off of it. And you don't really have to think very closely about it because it's going to set up a done-for-you store. They can just start making money right away. So grab this one. This one's good. You're going to love it.